Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's hands-on lab, we'll look into one of the cool web servers, which is Amazon Device Farm. It's a perfect place where you can test your mobile apps. If you are a front-end developer or a mobile developer, Android and iOS developer, you can test your apps in these servers. These are not just emulators, they are real devices. You can test various aspects of your app, performance, UI, whether your app is crashing or not. So many things you can test it here. Okay, so let's see how to do it. Okay, so I have opened the Amazon Device Farm console and there is option here to start the project. Okay, now click the next to start the project. Now let me explain all the available options here. You can also test desktop browser. Apart from the mobile device, you can test various browsers and performance. You can load your automated test and you can run your automated test here. Let us explore the mobile device testing. And these are the project menu where you can create numerous projects here and device slot. And there are private devices where you can reserve some private instances, private devices. Currently, I don't have any private device. Okay. Now let us explore public devices. Yeah, you will see wide variety of public devices from the platform, iOS platform, or you will see Android also. Okay. Now let us start a project and see how to connect, how to start a connected device, and then we will install one sample app, Android app, and then see if it is working or not. Okay. Now let's go to the projects and create a mobile project. Let me give a name, sample project. Okay. Then click create. So the project have been created. Now in the project, we have two options, automated test, where you can load your automated test, and also you can remote access. You can remotely access to your device, real device, and install your app, and then you will test various aspects of your app like performance, UI, and so many things. Okay. Now let us create the remote access session. Click here to create remote access session. This will list all available devices. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, now we get some list of available devices from Android, and you will also find from iOS. Now this time we'll just go with Android. Okay. Let me select this one, Google Pixel 2. I have selected this one. Let it be the name Google Pixel 2. Okay. Default options are fine. I'm going with the default options, then confirm and start session. This will connect to the real device. I'm still connecting to the device. Now you can see the device is, device is connected. Now you will see the device information. It's a Google Pixel 2. It has a OS 19, okay, Android version. And you have a little box here to install your applications. You can select your application and install it. Okay. Now let us go and install the app sample app. Okay. Click choose. Now I'm going to install one sample app. Okay. I selected one sample app, and then the app is currently up. We are uploading the sample app here. Okay. It is progressing to upload. The upload is in the progress. Okay. Now let's wait for some time. Now this app is uploaded to the device. It may take several moments to install. I think I have faced some issues, so I connected to another device, which is Google Pixel 9. Okay. Now let me choose the file. sample APK file which I downloaded from the internet just for the testing purpose. I'm currently uploading the file. Yeah, upload went to 100%. Now you have option here to choose the install option. Okay. You see, the app got installed. You see the icon here? That's a demo app. Click here. See, my app is loading. This is my that sample app. I can do various testings. If whatever I test I wanted to do, I can do it here. Whether my app is crashing or UI or any other issues. So I can test my app here. Okay, that's a cool service to remotely connect your to the any device in the cloud and test your app. Okay, please don't forget to stop the session. There is a button here, stop session. Otherwise, you will get surprise bills. Okay, stop session. All right. Thank you so much. Thanks. Keep watching. Bye.